Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious eggs and toast for your all-American breakfast. Let's begin with the kitchen tools you'll need. First up, make sure you got a frying pan and a spatula. You'll also need a knife for butter and a toaster. Next up on the tier is ingredients. You will need a small amount of butter, unseasoned bacon, sandwich bread, and an egg. Now, fellow chef, it's time to cook. Get 2 pieces of sandwich bread and pop it right in the toaster for 3.5 minutes. Make sure you get the bread a medium toast. Next up, get your frying pan and set the stove to medium-high. Put a small amount of butter onto the frying pan and wait for it to melt. Don't forget to spread the butter around the frying pan. Once it's melted, crack an egg onto the frying pan and stir fry until golden brown. Continuously adjust the stove from medium-high to medium for this process. In addition to that, make sure the egg doesn't stick to the frying pan. Once the egg has a nice golden crisp to it, you know it's done. Now, let's cook our bacon. First, get your olive oil and put in a tablespoon of oil. You don't want to do too much since the bacon already has its grease. Spread the oil around the pan and pop in a few slices of bacon. Don't worry about the bacon sticking together. It will naturally separate once it's cooked. Add some soy sauce for some extra color and flavor. You can also add an optional 2-finger pinch of salt. Now that the bread is done, I'm going to set it down on a plate. Just checking up on the bacon. Now the bacon is done. You can cook the bacon up to your preference. As you can see, this is why I said don't put too much oil. There's a lot of bacon grease left over. Now you can assemble your delicious sandwich. On this channel, I make helpful tutorials varying from a wide genre of topics. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.